We did not get the frame, so we gotta wait till tomorrow to get the frame. So here they are. Here's the boxes. And there is the slats. And oh, happy day. We each have our own bed now, or we will. And here are the frames for the twin XL. Well, they're long.
Extra long.
And it is 38 by 80 long. And the slats just go down onto the frame, and it's got the dowel right there. So it's very easy to put it together.
No tools necessary.
No tools necessary. And the coating on it is
Linseed oil.
linseed oil. So I'll show you the rest of it when LP gets her done. They're too firm. A firm goes on the bottom.
Oh,
The medium goes in the middle. And here is the cover that goes on to all three. One firm for each bed, goes on the bottom.
Okay.
Save that nice big plastic sack. Dunlap latex foam.
Are there holes on both sides?
Both sides look the same?
Yeah.
I don't know, to me, that looks different. Let me see the other side. This looks like it might be the side that goes up to me. That looks like the
I
bottom.
think so. That's the side that's going up, so.
I don't want that side up on mine. 'Cause that's,
You ain't gonna see it.
yeah, but the point is, I guess you could turn it either way. I don't know. That's a good question. Well, they got the firm upside down now. But I guess you can turn it either way. I definitely want mine the other way. Because to me, that's the side that has more finished look to it. But whatever.
I'd say this is a more finished look than the other side.
Well, I think you don't have your glasses on.
I think you got the wrong pair on.
You think what?
I think you got the wrong pair of glasses on.
Okay, I'm going to stop so I can help him get this in the casing. Guys, when you're putting your latex foam mattress
Inside the casing.
inside this casing, best bet is to lay this casing down on your frame, line it up on your frame, each corner to corner, and then you put your mattress pad on, and then as you're putting each layer on...
You don't put a mattress pad on.
What did I say? Guys, when you're putting your foam pad inside of this casing, best bet is to line up your corners with the corners of your bed frame. And then you have to, because this is not very wide of a cover over your foam mattress. And you want to line up this edging here so that on each side, so that you don't have a cattywampus when you're done. Because see, we've got 2 more layers to put on top of here.